Welcome to Weekly Analysis with Coach Shedrach. Just as usual, we're going to be going into the market to see what is it we're expecting from the market for this week. First thing we do is to look at the market from the previous week and the previous week. And then we look at what is it the market is doing currently so that we can make projection of where is it the market is going to. So real quick, let's go into the market. We're analyzing three markets, right? The market of gold, EURUSD, and EURJPY. So you just stay put as I walk us through the market of gold first. So let's look at first, what is it we anticipated for the market to do last week? Did it play out, or there was some market condition that happened along the way and all of that? So let's look at what is it we actually projected for last week. First, last week we said about gold that we expect for gold, well, the price of gold was around here. This is 4 hours time frame. Well, it was still here. Let me take it back to the 1 hour time frame. While gold was still here, I remember saying that, I think it was around here. I remember saying that we expect for the markets to get to this place and then retrace back and then come and retest here and then move all the way to the 1988 price level. It actually did that, except that it couldn't come to the 1988.00 price level because the bears were not strong enough to hold the market down to that low price level. So we realized that from here, the market, the bulls came all the way and pushed the market to this very side, and to this very zone of the market. And then it broke the trend, as I said, came and retested the trend. And instead of it coming down to this place, the bulls came and took it all the way. Just look at, and then the news that also happened, the unemployment claim news that happened, it boosted all the way to this place. And, the market is still just tanking upward and tanking upward. So that was what we actually expected for the market to do last week. That was our projection for the market last week. So what is it are we expecting for this market to do this week? Let's come to the daily time frame. Let's look at what the market is doing from a higher time frame and remove unnecessary charting that we did. So basically, we're just using price action. Price action. What is it price is doing? What had price done? What is price doing? What will price do? So that's just the language behind the strategy. There's no something too cumbersome about it. Just look at where is it price is coming from and what caused the market to behave the way it behaved, and then make a projection for the next week or make your projection for the next move. So let's look at from the daily time frame. We have the market to have retested this zone for the second time. It tested it here, and then look at where it is coming. But while it came here, we saw the market tested it here, and I'm trying to remove here. So the market came and the bulls held the market at this place and took it all the way to this place. And we saw that this zone held it so strong that it came back and still retested the supply level here. The support level here, sorry, retested the support level here, held it very strong. And it came all the way to this particular resistance zone. And we're seeing a weak rejection somewhat, but we don't have any conclusion to make yet until we see the confirmation from a lower time frame. But for now, this is what we are seeing. We see that this plays a very strong zone. Why? Because first the market held the market was held here, and then price was also held here. And then we now see that price had come back to the previous part at which it was at before coming all the way to this place. So if we're going to have this trend here, we said the trend has been broken, right? And with a very strong bullish momentum candle from the daily time frame, But then let's look at what is happening from the 4 hours time frame. So from the 4 hours time frame, let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see what's happening exactly from the 4 hours time frame. From the 4 hours time frame, you could see this somewhat like a consolidation. It's somewhat like a consolidation. Came all the way from this place, because if you're going to take this to the left, so we saw it bounced here. First it bounced here, came and bounced here, bounced here, bounced here, and then here again, bounced here, and then it is coming here. So that's what we are seeing from the 4 hours time frame. So all of this is giving us an information that this is the floor, and this is the ceiling. The floor is strong and the ceiling is strong, but it is possible to say that this market is still going to bounce downward. The sellers are going to sell the market from here to this particular floor level. That's your particular support level. And at the same time, we could say that, okay, well, this place, because we have a very strong bullish momentum candle that printed here, it is possible that the buyers break this particular zone. And if it breaks this particular zone, what do we do? Do we just go in for a buy? Or if we have this market, or from this point, can we just say that, okay, based on what we are seeing right now, because this place had been a very strong support level, this place had been a very strong resistance level, therefore we can just go in for a sell. Is that what we're going to be doing? No. First, we have to go back to the 1 hour time frame. We have to narrow it down to the 1 hour time frame and then see what's happening, because we have confirmation entry. We have confirmation, both confirmation chart pattern entry and confirmation candlestick entry. So based on what we are seeing here, this is giving us more like a double bottom, a double top. So from this particular representation, if I should take it to the 30-minute time frame, because I prefer sometimes taking my position from the 15 or 30-minute time frame. Okay, based on what I'm seeing here, I can see that, okay, this is more like a double top, because just look at this. Let me zoom it a little bit more so that you can see what I'm trying to say. So from here, you can see that this guy here, look at this guy here. Let me give it a different color so that you could see clearer. You see this guy here, this particular level here, it came and retested it again. So from here, one can say that, okay, well, this is a good place to go in for a sell. And, if we're going in for a sell, then this is what we're going to be having. Then from here, I can now see that we have this guy here. Okay, so I have to take you back to white so that we can see it. Then we also have this guy here. Now these are key areas. So we also have this guy here, so that you can know how to take your profit, so that you can now project it to a higher time frame. Okay, ultimately, if we are looking out for what we're expecting to have this week, for this week, we can position it here. We don't want to take too much. We don't want to take too much. We can position it here. We can position. In fact, I can. Okay, today is Monday. I don't trade on Monday. I would have just go in for this position. I'm seeing a very good pattern here to go in for a buy. So I don't really trade on Monday. For that reason, I'm not going to pick this trade. So I'll just allow it to just do whatever it wants to do, but I'll wait for another confirmation entry for the sell position, because I think based on what I'm seeing and based on this analysis, we are having more reason to buy, more reason to sell than to buy. So I can remove these guys. This is what I'm seeing from the market. I'm expecting for this market to give me. But if you want to see it ultimately, right? If you want to take it ultimately, this is what we're expecting for. But it's too much. Is the market might likely not, except for news, but the market might likely not get to this level for this week. So since we just want to take it for this week, we could just put it here. That's around 545 pips, risking how many pips? 58 pips, risking 58 pips for 545 pips. It's not bad. It's not bad. This is what we're looking out for. If this is what we could get for this week, it's not bad, right? You know, but we see if this market is going to, the confirmation for the sell actually happened, the market should sell all the way to this place. Ultimately, this will expect for this market to move to. But since we are making a projection for this week, we'll put it here. So Rico, let's go to the next, let's go to the next currency pair and see what is it we are expecting to see. Okay, this is, oh, this is GBUSD, but our guy is EURUSD. Our guy is EURUSD. So let's look at EURUSD. So this is the market of EURUSD. Let's see. My charting should appear so that I can know what to say. Why is this guy delaying now? Why is it nigga delaying? Come on, the fast network. Don't keep us waiting. We have a lot of things ahead of us to do. You could imagine this network. Okay, since EURUSD is not loading, let's go to EURJPY. The chart are supposed to load now. I did some charting now. It is from there I can know what to say about our trade for last week, you know. So yeah, this is the market of EURUSD, and we couldn't pick any trade from EURUSD because it couldn't get to the level we extrapolated that is going to get to for us to take our position, for us to take our entry. So I said that the market was around this level. So I said, if this market should get to this price level, then we are going to go in for a sell the um, with the point that we're going to be having our TP at this level. But when it got to this place, when we got to this place, retrace, you know, it just kept consolidating at this level. So we couldn't take the position at that place. So because of that, we couldn't take any trade last week. What then are we expecting to see from the market this week? What are we expecting from this market this week? So let's go to the daily time frame. And do a top-down analysis. So we've been seeing consolidation here, and we actually expect for the market to get to this price. This is a very good point for us to short this market from. Very good point for us to short the market from. So I think I'm still seeing the level, but just note that we've been having consolidation here. This has been a very strong consolidation level, you know. So we consolidate here, 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 here. This guy is gone. It's of no use anymore. You also of no use anymore. So what else are we seeing from here? This is a 4 hours time frame. So I'll be flexible with the market this week. I'll be flexible with the market. It's not wrong to go in for a sell in this market, you know, based on the market history. It's not wrong. It's not wrong at all to look at a sell here. If you're going to be looking at to short the market here, it's not bad based on history, based on market history. So you just want to take it a little bit above this guy, 17 pips. You don't want to take it too much. And at the same time, we're not taking it. So this way, um, we're not taking it too far. We're not taking it too far because this is a consolidation level. The market has been consolidating here. Based on what we are seeing from the 4 hours time frame, the market have more momentum to go for a buy than to go for a sell. And the only place we can be very sure for this market to have more momentum to go for a sell is when the market get to this level. Is when the market get to this level. So this is what we are seeing. So for now, one can also take a sell from here. You don't want to take too much profit. You don't want to expect so much from the market if you are selling it here, right? But wait for an evening start to form first, then you can go in for, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So from here, you can even start selling now. Okay, today is Monday, so we still can't sell. So if that's the case, part of what we're going to be looking out for is if this market get to this level. So we're still having our hope here. So since that's the case, let me take it back to the 1 hour time frame. If this market get to this level, peradventure the market get to this level, then we're going to short it all the way to this place. So this is our market outlook on Euro USD for this week. So now quickly let's go to Euro. Let's go for EURJPY. So we took a trade. We saw last week we just took one trade, EURJPY to EURJPY from here. From while the market was still here, I said we should expect for this market to give us a bounce back here. So when the market got here, this was our entry. Yeah. So when it got here, gave us both the W pattern, weak rejection, and every other thing we expect for the market to give us for us to take our buy. And then it also happened that that entry was to take place on a strong support level, So we went in for a buy. The market kept misbehaving, got to display with the heavy momentum, assuring us that it is going in all out to our TP. Then all of a sudden, boom, it cleared us out, So this was where we got cleared out. And then this now began to happen. So when I saw the market doing all of this, I wanted to take in a buy here, but it was already Friday, So I didn't see the need to go in for the buy. I wanted to take a buy, but it was already Friday, and there's no point to go in for a buy. So all through last week, we just took one trade, and we came out with a negative because of what is it we actually expect and the way the market played out. So what is it we're expecting from this market this week? So let me remove some of these guys so that our chart can be clear enough. So let me go to the daily time frame. We take a trend here. So you see that the market came. So there's no point to really go in. But I know that my student understand this. So it gave us the first touch here, second touch here, and then this is the third touch actually. This is the third touch. And it happened on the resistance level here. So the resistance that subsequently turned to a support. So, at a very good point, it went in for a buy. So I'm seeing more of buy. I'm still seeing more of buy in this market of Euro, US, EURJPY. I'm seeing more of buy than sells. I'm seeing more of buys than sells. I'm seeing more of buys than sell. So this is what I'm seeing. This market should retrace from here, and the next place to buy actually is here. Anytime this market retraces to this level, we are going for a buy. So those on the Telegram group are going to get my feedback. Whenever I go in for the buy, I will let them know. Whenever I'm going in for the buy, I should let them know. This 42 pips for the 157 pips. So whenever it comes to this place, if this happens, we are going in for the buy. So let me take this guy off here. If this happens, this is what we expect to have. So this is what we expect to have in the market of EURJPY. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if possible, of course, you can share it with your friends and family. So bye for now.